When it comes to feeding your exotic animal, Mazuri is a world leader in quality exotic animal nutrition for virtually every living exotic animal. Mazuri means good in Swahili, and Mazuri lives up to that promise of goodness by testing, formulating, and producing quality diets for just about every exotic animal. From exotic birds and reptiles to mammals and fish, Mazuri Exotic Animal Nutrition offers nutritional products for diets as diverse as the animal kingdom. Come by and ask us about the right Mazuri diet for your exotic animal.